friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about Ncert Maths Class 6 Chapter 7 Fractions Exercise 7.3 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says, write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? So as you can see over here, there are figures given to us in the first part of this question, and this is asking to write the fraction for the shaded parts of them, and then we have to identify that the fractions which we have are equivalent or not. Now as we know, equivalent fractions are those fractions which when multiplied or divided to their simplest form will give us the same value. Okay, so as we know, we can first write down the fractions for each of the circle, and then we will see are they equivalent or not. Okay, so as you can see first part over here, so you can just mention 1 over here, and how many parts this is divided into 2, and how many parts are shaded 1. So that means we can write this fraction 1 upon 2. Okay, same way. Okay, so as you can see, this is the second one, and over here second circle, and as you can see, this is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded out of it. So we can write the fraction as 2 upon 4. Okay, same ways the third circle here. So over here this is the third circle, and there are 6 parts and 3 parts are shaded. So this will be 3 upon 6. And now to the last circle here. Now over here there are 8 parts and 4 parts are shaded. So we can write this 4 upon 8. So as you can see here, we have written the fractions for each of the circles, and now we have to find out are they equivalent or not. Okay, so firstly we need to simplify some fractions out of them and see if we are getting the simplest fraction with all of the fractions. This might sound complicated, but we have to first start simplifying the fractions. Okay, so over here we have 1 upon 2, which is in its simplest form. There is no common divisor in this. Now here we have 2 upon 4. So what we can do is we have to simplify this 2 upon 4. So we can divide this by 2. So 2 goes 1 times and 4 goes 2 times. Okay, so over here we have got 1 upon 2. Okay, now the third one here is 3 upon 6. We can divide this 3 and 6 both by 3 only. So over here 3 here goes 1 times and 6 goes 2 times. Now again we have 1 upon 2. Now 4 upon 8 here. We will divide them by 4. So 4 goes 1 times, 8 goes 2 times by 4. Now as you can see, when we have simplified all the fractions to their simplest form, from the first one to the last one, all the fractions here you can see are simplified. And when they are simplified, so what we can see here, all the fractions which are the simplified ones are half, are 1 upon 2, and in this case when all the fractions here are equal, are the same and are the same, so that means we can conclude that the fractions over here are equivalent to each other. Alright, now friends, let us see the B part. So this over here, as you can see, this is the figure given to us, and again we have to find out the fraction for each of them, and we will see if the fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, so first one over here, as you can see, first one, this is the first figure, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it is divided into 12 equal parts, and out of the 12 parts, 4 parts are shaded. So we can write this as 4 upon 12. Okay, now the second one here, Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are there and 3 parts are shaded. So we can write this as 3 upon 9. Then on the third one here, over here as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is divided into 6 equal parts and out of 6 parts, 2 parts are shaded. This one and this one. So this will become 2 upon 6. Okay. Now for the fourth fraction here, 3 parts are there and 1 part is shaded. 1 upon 3. And now for the fifth one here, over here as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 parts are there and out of the 15 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts are shaded. Okay. Now over here we have to simplify them. So let us start simplifying. 4 and 12 we will simplify this by 4. 4 goes 1 times by 4. 12 goes 3 times by 4. 3 upon 9 we will simplify this by 3. 3 goes 1 times by 3 and 9 goes 3 times by 3. Now 2 upon 6 we will take 2 here. 2 goes 1 times and 6 goes 3 times by 2. Okay. Now 1 upon 3, it is 1 upon 3, so no need to simplify this one. Now we have 6 upon 15 over here, so we will simplify this 6 upon 15 by 3. So 6 goes 2 times and 15 goes 5 times. Okay. Now over here as you can see, the simplified fractions which we have got are 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. So over here as you can see, these 4 fractions are the same. But over here this fraction, the fifth fraction here is 2 upon 5, which is not the same. Now if the fractions have to be equivalent, all the fractions should be same in their simplest terms. But here what we can see, all the fractions are not the same. That means the fractions over here are not equivalent. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing. Bye.